Hi everybody, I'm Trevor Baird. What I'm going to be talking about the career is human resource management or HR management. Um, so I'll just get into it. Sorry, technical difficulty. So kind of the duties and responsibilities of someone in HR management, um, in a nutshell, I'll go through these, is to support the staff. So manage company staff, including coordinating and supporting the recruitment process, um, onboarding new employees, helping to establish a salary, provide necessary support systems, um, develop adequate induction and training, which that one's really important, support employees' opportunities for professional development. And you want to help people progress and learn, and that's a big part of HR. And then assisting with performance management, so helping people improve in the job while they're there. Required education is a minimum bachelor's degree. Business is they don't really have a bachelor's in HR management. So my technical major is professional studies, a bachelor's in professional studies. I'm taking quite a few HR management classes. My 4-year plan, I've worked a lot through the career planner or the grad planner to explore my options and to look through different things. And I would like to job shadow at my current place of employment, which is the hospital here in Idaho Falls. I've talked with them in the past, and they said when you get closer, that hopefully you can find something there. So I've already been working with the HR department at the hospital for that. And I think it would help me just get a better idea of what I'm going into. I feel like I have a pretty good grasp, but just to see it in action and be a part of it is a big thing. So I know what I'm hopefully going to do the rest of my life and be a part of that. So I've chosen HR management because I just love to work with people in different situations, in different parts in life and different struggles that they'll go through. I just love to support people, be there if they just need somebody to talk to, help them reach their goals. Then that's why I think psychology plays a big role in human resource management, is because I am helping people not only develop their career but also develop themselves and become the people that they want to be at home and at work and other places. So for the comparisons in general, I chose this career as it relates to psychology are not exactly listed in Chapter 13, but are similar. For example, I have a strong interest in helping people, which relates to reason 1. I have a strong interest in subject matter of psychology. Another reason I've chosen psychology is to help my career choice is that I want to figure myself out. I think that learning more about psychology will help me know my own goals and my profession and help me reach them. So those things are important. Psychology is a big part of personal life, and I know it'll be a big part of my professional life. So I'm excited to learn more about it. Thank you.